Hi everyone, Dan here from Adult and Teen Services, and welcome to my Maker Week tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini marshmallow shooter, so let's get started. Okay, so these are all the materials we're going to need to make our mini marshmallow shooter. We're going to need 27 inches of a 1/2 inch diameter PVC pipe. We're going to need 2 1/2 inch diameter T-joints, 2 1/2 inch diameter 90-degree elbow joints, and then 2 1/2 inch diameter caps. You are going to need to wear eye protection while doing this project. We don't want anything jumping up and hit you in the eye and you're no longer able to read all the wonderful books we have at the New Lenox Public Library. Obviously, mini marshmallows. And then there's 2 methods you can use to cut your PVC. You can either use PVC scissors or a hacksaw. I would recommend the PVC scissors. They're less messy and they're a lot easier to use. The hacksaw does work just fine. It's a little more labor intensive. So for this tutorial, I will be using the PVC scissors. You can pick them up at a hardware store for about 10 bucks. So I would recommend using these. And then we're gonna need our measuring tape. So let's get right into it. Step 1, go ahead and lay out your pipe. And we're gonna need 5 3-inch pieces. So what I did is I laid out my tape and I just went 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You can do it that way, or you can go ahead and just cut a 3-inch piece and then move on to the next one, move on to the next one. Okay, step 1 complete. We have our 5 pieces of 3-inch pipe. Step 2, we're going to go ahead and measure 1 5-inch in length piece of pipe. So we're going to go ahead and mark that now. Let's get as close as we can to the 5 right there. And we're going to go ahead and cut that. I'll see you when we're done. Okay, step 2 complete. We have our 5 pieces of 3-inch pipe, and we have our 1 5-inch piece. So the last step, and the last cutting we're going to need to do, is we're going to need 1 7-inch piece. So let's go ahead and find our 7 there, and let's go ahead and give it a mark. Mark it as close as you can, do your best. Okay, all right, we're going to cut that, and I'll see you when we're done. All right, great job, everybody. At this point, we should have all our pieces cut. We're gonna have all our PVC, the 5 pieces of 3 inches, the 1 5-inch, and the 1 7-inch, and we're gonna have our joints and caps. So now the fun part begins. We're gonna go ahead and put it all together. So now's the fun part. We're gonna put it all together. So what I found to be the easiest is we're gonna go ahead and lay out all the parts sort of in the shape of this shooter. So what you're gonna do is, we'll go this way. So go ahead and take your 7-inch. What I did is I labeled them each by their length. So we take our number 7 and go ahead and lay it all the way at the end of your workspace. So that's just going to stay there. Then we're going to go ahead and take our first T, our T joint, and just like the letter, we're going to place it right side up, right next to that guy. There you go. And then we're going to take our first 3, place them right at the bottom of that T, along with our first cap. We're going to go ahead and put them right down there. Next up, we're going to take another 3, and we're going to go ahead and place him parallel to your 7. And then we're going to take our second T. Now this one we're going to place upside down. So that's going to go right there. We're going to take another 3, right on the other side of that upside down T. And then we're going to go ahead and take our first elbow joint. We're going to put that right there at the end. So as you can see, it's sort of coming all together. You can kind of see it being made. And we're going to take second to last 3, put it right at the bottom of that 90 degree, and then your last cap. Put that right there. And then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and take our final 3, put it right on top of that upside down T. So now the T is completely filled on all sides. Your last 90-degree elbow joint, put that right there on top. And then your 5-inch, put that right there on the end. So this is what it looks like from my angle. I have my 7, a T right side up, a 3, a cap. Now we're going to keep continuing left. A 3, our upside down T, another 3, an elbow joint, another 3, and a cap. And then going to the top of our T here, our upside down T, a 3, a 90 degree, and our 5. So now all that's left to do is just smush them all together. So there you go. This is what it looks like all smashed up and put together. So there's only one last thing to do. Let's try it out. Okay, so how you're going to use this thing, take a mini marshmallow, put it right on top of here. See how your gun kind of comes up here? You're going to take it, place it right up in there. You don't have to put it in too far, just right in the end. And then go ahead and put it up your mouth and voila, your very own marshmallow shooter. So thank you so much for watching my Maker Day tutorial, and I hope you have a great day. Happy Maker Week.